Oh, it's cold outside and it's Christmas season and the weather is outside is cold. So that is wild bird feed seeds. Benji bought it from Walmart.
Yeah.
So Benji,
Yeah.
what are you gonna do today?
To feed the birds.
Okay, what do you want to feed them?
What's this? These ones. These ones.
Oh, okay, let's go outside and feed the birds, okay?
Yeah.
Let's go outside and feed the birds. Hey, you're excited.
How are you, Mom?
Benji, where are you going?
To feed the birds over the jungle.
Okay. So you walked and walked and now you reach to the birdie's nest.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is a birdie's nest.
it's here. What do you want to do today?
To feed the birds.
Okay, do you have any seeds with you?
Yes.
Okay, show me where it is.
Right here.
Oh, it's in the backpack?
Yeah.
Oh, so you gotta open it. Let me help you, okay? Oh, you have a bag of seeds, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm on grass.
Oh, you put it in the grass? Okay. Put your two hands. Use two hands. Yes, two hands. Okay. Okay, now put it, yeah.
On there?
Yes,
Or
on
here?
the trees. Yeah, here, the other side, to the left.
To what?
Yeah,
here?
left, yes.
Right here?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, take more, Benji.
Okay.
Yeah, see, you go there and put it here. Look, yeah, see, we put all the way here, the seeds, okay.
And
Yeah.
now throw dirt away.
Yeah, you help me. Yeah,
Go.
see?
Go right here.
Yeah, take some with your hand. Yeah, helping me. Benji's helping, feeding birdies.
I did it.
Yes, you
I
did it.
almost did it.
Okay. Wow, we have now birds in this cold weather. They have lots of
And another one
seeds.
right there. Another one right there.
Okay.
And come here back and go put it right there.
Okay, take your backpack. Okay.
Another tree. I need to put it.
On the other tree.
Yes, another tree.
Okay.
Come
Okay.
here.
Come here. You take your hand.
Okay.
Yeah, sit down.
Come.
Yeah.
I did
Good
it.
job. Yeah, good job.
I need to do it again.
Okay. Do it. Yeah.
Another tree. Another tree. Another tree there.
Okay, one more tree.
And I want to right here. Right here. Right here.
Where?
Here.
Oh, do you want to put some seeds over there?
Yeah. We pulled steel right there. And put it right
Okay. So take your hand, help me.
there again.
Okay.
Another one. Right in here. Right in here.
So Benji,
What?
did you feed the bird today?
Yeah. What? Guess what? Guess what right there?
You're sitting on the chair.
Go another one. Go another one.
Okay.
Go another one.
Do you see any bird around here today?
Not see it.
Huh?
They can come. They're here.
No, did you see any bird today around here?
No.
Why?
I want to see them hiding here.
Why? Why the birds are not out today?
They're healthy and they're sitting a little bit in the jungle.
Is it because cold outside today?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
it looks like rainy today, right?
Yeah.
And the bird is not out, right?
They one to run home like that.
Okay, next to the.
This house.
Okay, look. Okay, they went to their nests.
Yeah, we're no nest.
Oh,
They're all very far away.
okay. Some of them are far away.
Yeah, we're coming feed them with their food.
Oh, so you fed them food today?
Yeah.
Why?
You just feed them more food. Dun, 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 dun.
Okay, they ate them food.
No. The crew came yet.
They didn't come yet.
Yeah.